In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can edit your contact us page. This is how your contact us page will look like. It will have options for phone number, mobile number, fax, email and address option. Then we will have a form which will have phone, email, message and name field. And finally, it will have an OpenStreetMap. Let me show you how you can change it. Let's click on edit page to start editing. So this is our contact us page. As you can see, there is no description part. This is the title of the page that you can change, like contact to contact us. Then in the template, we are using contact page template. Don't change this template for the contact us page. Now let's start with the editing. If you go down, you'll be able to see option, which is contact map, contact details and contact form. Over here, you can change the details. For example, in the contact details, you can add options like the phone number, the fax number, the display email and the address. All the details are shown over here. For the contact map, you will need to add latitude and longitude and then a marker. Let me show you how you can do it. Let's suppose our location is India Gate. Now let's find latitude and longitude. Click on it, latlong.net. Now let's find India Gate. Once you search, you'll be able to find latitude. You can go ahead and copy. You will also be able to find longitude. Go ahead and paste over here. Once it's done, you can simply update it. For the contact form, let me show you how you can do. These are the different default fields like name field, label, email field, message field, contact form email, phone number, contact form BCC email, the contact form shortcode, and the redirection. These are all the fields for the basic form. If you want to have another form or if you want to manually create a form, you can go to contact form 7. Go to dashboard. Over here, you can see there is no plugin for creating a contact form. Let's go to plugins and add new. Now search for contact form. There are two different options. You can use contact form by WP forms or contact form 7. I'm going to use WP forms. With the help of WP forms, you'll be able to see all the submissions over here. Now let's create a new form. Click on add new in the WP forms. Let's create a blank. Let's add single line text, which will be name, email, phone number, and as it's a contact form, we will need text area as well. Let's change this name to description. Okay, now once it's done, let's click on embed or simply save it. Once the form is done, click on X to close. We have a shortcode WP Forms ID 787680. Now go back, paste it over here and update it. Now let's see if the contact form is available. So as you can see, we have our new form over here. Let's add our name. Let's add our email. Let's add our number and some description. And let's submit it. Once you hit the submit, thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. What happened is, you can see the form has been submitted and our first entry is now available. But to view all the entries, you will need to upgrade to the WP Forms Pro now. But now as you can see that the form has been submitted successfully, and then you can change this phone number and all. And over here, as you can see, we have also changed the address. So this way you will be able to change your contact form.